Hi everyone, I will show you how to reset Instagram password. First of all, open your Instagram app. Now enter your password. The password is incorrect. Now tap the find your account and enter your email and tap the find account. You have two choice. First one is email and second one is SMS. I will choose email and tap to continue. Go back and open your Gmail and open your mail from Instagram. Now you can see the two options. Tap to the second, the reset your password. Now enter your new password and tap to continue. Now your password is reset.
Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.